Okay, we're looking here at the Motorola Moto G6, really affordable phone, about $240. The phone is unlocked. It works with CDMA or GSM carriers. As far as the specs, we have an IPS LCD 5.7-inch screen size, 1080p display, 18:9 aspect ratio, Corning Gorilla Glass 3, Android 8.0, Oreo, Qualcomm Snapdragon A53. As far as the memory, it supports a microSD card up to 256 GB. It comes with 64 GB of internal storage and 4 GB of RAM, or 32 GB and 3 GB of RAM. As far as the cameras, 12 megapixel rear camera dual, plus a 5 megapixel with a f2.8 and f2.2. As far as the front-facing camera, 8 megapixel with a f2.2, and it can do video in 1080p at 30 and 60 frames with the rear camera, and 1080p with the front-facing camera. It offers a FM radio. And as far as the battery, we're looking at 3000 milliamp battery, and we're looking here at a quick look at the interface. As you guys can see, it moves and opens everything really quick. We activated the developer options and turned off the animations. Here's a Google Feed. The phone, it's flying. It's really quick. And as you can see, there's no buttons on the screen. The phone offers gestures with the fingerprint scanner, which also works really quick. There it is. So for example, if you're looking at the browser, let's say you're looking at some page right here and you want to go back, you can do this and it takes you back. You can do this and it takes you to the recent applications, and one hard press turns off the screen, unlocks, or it takes you to the main screen. Here's a look at the clock, a look at the weather application. Looking at the camera, they improved the camera this year. The phone offers a portrait mode, and as you guys can see by the samples, it does a pretty good job. However, it only offers portrait mode with the rear camera. That's a downside. The front-facing camera doesn't offer portrait mode, but it takes really good selfies. And as far as the video, it does offer video stabilization. I believe in only 1080p at 30 frames per second. In 1080p at 60 frames, it doesn't offer video stabilization. The interface, it's pretty basic, and it also offers a manual mode. But for the most part, as you guys can see from the samples, it does offers a pretty nice colors, HDR mode. The pictures with the front and rear camera looks really nice, and the video also looks really nice with nice colors. I just wish it would offer a portrait mode with the front-facing camera, but at least you have that with the rear camera. As far as performance, let's go ahead and play some high graphic games. As far as the battery, it's gonna be amazing with a 1080p display. You get the option here for battery saver. Unfortunately, it adds that orange line on the top of the screen. You can show the battery percentage next to the battery by pressing right here. You get adaptive brightness. So offers the Motorola Assistant. Basically, you get Moto Actions, Moto Display, and Moto Voice under Moto Actions, Moto Display. And then we also have right here a Moto Voice. I think for the most part, this is everything that I want to show you about this phone. The phone works pretty quick. Good experience with navigation, videos with YouTube, really quick fingerprint scanner, good resolution 1080p. The phone moves really quick, and you get good battery life. Camera, It offers a portrait mode with a rear camera, 1080, 60, and 30 frames, video stabilization in 30 frames, and good battery life, a good price, $240. So there you have a Motorola Moto G6. Thanks for watching. See you later.